Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Beauty in the World. Don't forget to subscribe my channels Beautiful Quotes with Courage. All his life he was a man of extraordinary personal courage. I want everyone to success in achieving their dream. I encourage you to have the courage to seek out everything you want in life. Courage and opinions go hand to hand. Our courage helps us to take the risk to try the new. We have courage in God's presence because we are sure that He hears us if you ask Him for anything that is according to His will. Courage is what it takes to admit when you are wrong. Having a courage does not mean that we are unafraid. Having a courage and showing courage means we face our fears. Truth to told, you will never really know just how strong and admit you are unless adversity strikes. Then you learn courage, you build resilience, you learn to preserve, you build character. Courage is not giving up when you feel like everything to going against you. Courage means standing up for what is right, even when what is right is not popular and you have to stand alone. The test of courage comes when we are in minority. The test of tolerance comes when you are in majority. Whatever you do, you need courage. Whatever course you decide opinion upon, there is always someone to tell you that you are wrong. It takes a toll of courage to do those things. Any fool can fight back. Anyone can fight back. Anyone can retaliate. Anyone can respond with someone mean. God wants you to love your enemy, do good to those who hate you, bless those who curse you, pray for those who hurt you, and turn the other's cheek. Courage is not the absence of fear, it is going forward with the face of fear. Courage is discovery that you may not win and trying when you know you can lose. Courage is not obtained from a single action but nurtured through a habit of courageous decision over a lifetime. In action bred doubt and fear. Action breeds confidence and courage. If you want to conquer fear, don't sit home and think about it. Go out and get busy. Mountain build on me, I would hang on, exercise faith and deep good courage, and I would come out on top. The gaining of self-confidence and courage and the ability to think calmly and clearly while taking to a group is not 1/10 as difficult as most mean image. Courage is one step ahead of fear. To be courageous require no exceptional qualification, no magic formula, no special combination of time, place, of circumstances. It is an opportunity that sooner or later is presented to us all when it is nearing the end, and you are need matured up your courage, and doors will lead. For courage to be authentic, one must encounter fear and prove superior to the fear through right action. It takes courage to be authentic because you need to trust yourself and trust that others will accept you for who you really. It's easy to stand with the crowd. It takes courage to stand alone. Courage is what is take to stand up and speak. Courage is also what it takes to sit down and listen.